Hi beauty lovers, it's Tess, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this eye makeup look using the TERRA palette by Eleman Beauty. First, I'm starting out with the new concealer by Makeup Forever, and I am sculpting my brows with it and using it as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply it all over the lid so we have something for the powder to stick onto. Next, I'm going in with the color Desert, which is a nice nude shade, and I'm basically going to be pressing that all into my lid up until my brows. Next, I'm going in with the color Eden, and it's a nice taupe shade, so I'm putting that all in the crease, blending it upwards so we have another color to blend into. Next, I'm using the color Brick, which is a burnt orange color, and I'm applying that to the crease and blending it from the outer corner to the inner corner. So the most pigment is going to be on the outer corner, and then we're just going to softly blend that in. Next, I'm going in with the color Aurora, which is a pretty shimmery shade, and I'm applying that all over the lid, blending it towards the other colors. Now we're picking up this deep burgundy brown shade called Phoenix, and we're applying it in the outer corner of the eye and brushing it as if it's like a bit of a wing shadow. After that, we're applying it to the lash line and tying it into the wing a bit. So we're just using a smaller fluffy brush to apply it. Finally, we're taking the color Willow, which is TERRA's black shade, and you wet the brush and then dip into the palette, and then you can use it like a liner. So that's one of the really cool features about this palette and all of the Eleman Beauty palettes that I really love. So once we create the little wing, we're just bringing it back. Once you're done, take your favorite highlighter, grab a small fluffy brush, and apply to the inner corner and onto the brow bone. This helps accentuate your brow bone and makes your eyes look bigger and nicer, in my opinion. So here you have it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little tutorial that I made, and I'll be showing you guys some more looks with different palettes.